So guys, in this video I'll be walking you guys through on how to buy Telegram stars, the cheapest way to buy Telegram stars. If this is your first time coming across this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell icon so you'll be the first person to be notified anytime I drop a new video. So there are actually two ways you can use to buy these Telegram stars. The first method is by using the bank card, which is linked to your Google Play Store or App Store to make this purchase. How to do this is by going to settings. When you open your Telegram app, go to settings, then navigate down, go to my stars, then click on buy more stars. You can see the amount and number of stars you will buy. So you can choose any one of these and make your purchase. There are actually some errors here. Go ahead and make your purchase, but following this method will be very expensive. There are cheaper ways you can use to make this purchase, and one of them is by going to your Tonkeeper. Open your Tonkeeper app, then make sure you have some Toncoin in your wallet, in your Tonkeeper wallet. You go to browser, then type fragment. You can use this fragment to buy usernames, numbers, stars, premium, and advertisement. For our own case, we'll be buying stars. So click on stars, then choose the amount of stars that you want to buy. Yes, I want to buy 500 stars. Then type the username of the recipient. It can be for your own Telegram account or for your friend. So type the username here. You can see it come out here. Then you click on buy 500 Telegram stars, then buy for hero twins. You can see, then once you confirm this transaction, it will go through to confirm in blockchain, and the recipient will receive the stars. When you go back to your Telegram and check here, you see the number of stars we would have updated. So this is how to buy Telegram stars, the cheapest way to buy Telegram stars. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell icon so you'll be the first person to be notified anytime I drop a new video. Thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you next time. Thank you.